Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to make some amazing silver dollar pancakes on the Weber griddle. And I'm kicking it up a notch because taking some of that world's finest chocolate and my peeler, I'm gonna shave chocolate on there before we drizzle syrup on there. First things first, let's head out and get the griddle started. As you can see, we've got our griddle surface all prepped and ready to go. It's wiped clean to make sure we don't have any residue on there. We have our tank turned on, so first thing we'll do is go ahead and click this burner number 1, burner number 2, burner number 3. I'm gonna leave these on high. So we're gonna go ahead and heat this up on high for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it down to medium and let that go for about 5 minutes before it's time to test it, make sure we're ready for pancakes. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the gear we're gonna use, and we'll talk a little bit about the ingredients as well. First of all, you need heavy-duty tools, so I'm gonna use my heavy-duty Weber spatula. And then today, I'm putting to work the Weber Griddle breakfast set. Now, this is gonna be super cool because guess what? It has a squirt bottle in it. So my pancake batter is going in the squirt bottle, and then I'm literally gonna go pa-choo, 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 and I'm gonna make a bunch of silver dollar size pancakes. Now, ingredients today. First, pick your favorite pancake batter that you like. Buttermilk, sweet cream, whole grain, whatever. Pick your favorite mix. I'm gonna do the larger portion, so I'm gonna be making 2 cups worth of pancake batter. And then world's finest chocolate, because that is what we're going to shave on top of the pancakes. Then we're gonna cover them with some amazing maple syrup. Again, pick your favorite. Now, I'm using butter today because butter is what we're gonna put down on the griddle to get these pancakes nice and crispy. Butter is also what we're gonna slice to put on top of the pancakes to add a little bit of extra ooh la la. The batter mixing, super easy. We're gonna go ahead and add our 3 cups of batter and then our 2 cups of water. Yeah, it's that easy. We're gonna go through here and carefully get everything mixed up now. Make sure that we have everything fully blended so we don't have any chunks. But that's it. Pretty super easy and yeah, really simple. Griddle is warming up, pancake batter is done, time to load the squirt bottle. Now, I'm gonna let you in on a chef's tip. I learned this the hard way. Don't fill from this side. Go ahead and remove the squirt top. Bottom, actually, it is, right? And fill it that way, because if you fill it the other way, sometimes the weight of the pancake batter will give you a little surprise on the cutting board, so let's avoid that. We'll go ahead now, take out the whisk. And then this is one of those things that is either gonna turn out really, really well or not so good, but you're gonna get to see it either way. So what I like to do is carefully make a small stream and fill my batter dispenser like that. And if you get a little bit on the side like I did on the back here, don't worry about it, it's okay. But we'll go ahead and get all that pancake batter in here. We'll get the top put back on, and then it's time to head out and get these pancakes made. Here we are right after 7 minutes of warm-up time. Look at that, that's exactly what we want. We want that butter to get on there, melt down nicely, and we are gonna have some delicious, delicious pancakes. So I'll get this first dab of butter on there. We'll go ahead and get that spread around, leave that spatula there, and it is time. Silver dollar size pancakes. Nice thing about the butter, gonna give us some beautiful, crispy edges, and we are gonna be in a good place with some delicious pancakes. So we'll get a few of those guys spread down. Now, what I like to do is wait until the edges start to bubble a little bit, and you'll see bubbles form in the batter. Then we know it's time to get in there and start giving those a flip. All right, we've got some bubbling going on here, so let's go ahead. Oh my word, look at that. That is pancake perfection right there. So we'll go through now, give these all a flip, and let them go until they're fully cooked on the second side. Literally took about a minute, minute and a half on the first side. We're probably looking at the same on the second side, but those came out absolutely perfect. We'll let them finish, take them off, start round number 2. Okay, we'll go through and get this first batch taken off, and of course, you know, we want to make them look pretty, right? Because we might take a picture for Instagram. There we are, look at that. We are all finished. Now I'm just shaving that world's finest chocolate with my carrot peeler, and it brings in these nice little nuggets of chocolate that melt so fantastically. And then the best part is, if you're ready for it, are you ready for it? Right there. Nice drizzle of syrup on top. Hey, and then if you want, throw a little butter on there as well. Tell you what I'm gonna do is we'll hit it with that syrup first, and then, look at this right here. Nice little piece of butter up top. We'll let that guy melt its way in. Boom. Fast, easy, and absolutely delicious silver dollar pancakes covered with world's finest chocolate on the Weber griddle. Now, if you'd like to learn 5 more things I absolutely love about that griddle, be sure to check out that video because that video is coming up next. Now, the only question left to answer is how much syrup is actually too much syrup? I think if you fold it like a taco, it actually holds extra syrup. Yeah, it does. Look at that. Perfect. Cheers.